Innovation metrics and performance. Indicators. Introduction. Innovation is often seen as a creative and unpredictable process, but without measurable indicators, it becomes difficult to assess its true impact on a business. In today's competitive environment, organizations and entrepreneurs must be able to quantify innovation performance, not only to justify investments but to identify areas of improvement, scale what works, and retire what does not. Module 8 focuses on innovation metrics and performance indicators, which are quantitative and qualitative tools used to measure the outcomes, efficiency, and value of innovation initiatives. These metrics help organizations and entrepreneurs track progress, guide strategy, manage resources, and drive continuous improvement. Section 1. What are innovation metrics? Innovation metrics are measures used to track the performance of innovation. Initiatives. Evaluate the return on innovation investments. Identify strengths, weaknesses, and gaps in the innovation process. Guide decision-making and resource allocation. They offer evidence-based accountability, allowing organizations to move away from gut-feeling-based decisions toward data-driven innovation strategies. Section 2. Why measure innovation? Innovation, by nature, is risky and uncertain. Measuring it offers visibility, knowing what works and what does not. Alignment, ensuring innovation activities align with business goals. Improvement, identifying areas needing refinement. Funding justification, showing ROI to stakeholders, investors, or management. Scalability, helping replicate successful innovations across teams or markets. Section 3. Types of innovation metrics. Innovation metrics can be divided into input, process, output, outcome, and impact metrics. 1. Input metrics measure the resources invested in innovation. R&D spending, number of employees involved in innovation, time allocated to innovation projects, number of new ideas submitted. These metrics answer, what are we putting into innovation? 2. Process metrics evaluate how innovation activities are being carried out. Number of brainstorming sessions, speed of idea to prototype, frequency of iteration or testing, stage gate efficiency, how quickly ideas move through stages. These metrics answer, how well are we managing the innovation process? 3. Output metrics. Assess tangible results from innovation. Number of new products or services launched. Number of patents filed. Features developed. MVPs created. These metrics answer, what are we producing through innovation? 4. Outcome metrics. Measure the effects of innovation on performance. Increase in revenue from new products. Customer satisfaction or retention rates. Cost savings from improved processes. Market share growth. These metrics answer, what are the short-term or mid-term results of innovation? 5. Impact metrics assess the long-term influence of innovation on organizational success. Brand perception improvement. Business model transformation. Organizational adaptability. Sustainability contributions. These answer, what lasting changes or transformations has innovation brought? Section 4. Examples of specific innovation KPIs. Here are specific performance indicators. Used in real-world innovation management. KPI. Description. Percent revenue from new products, revenue generated from products launched within the last 3 years. Innovation portfolio balance, percentage of incremental versus radical innovations. Time to innovate, time taken from idea conception to product launch. Idea conversion rate. Percentage of ideas that proceed to development or implementation. Employee innovation engagement. How many employees participate in innovation programs? Innovation ROI. Profit generated from innovation efforts divided by the total cost of innovation. Customer adoption rate. Percent of customers using newly introduced products or services. Section 5. Measuring innovation culture. Innovation is not only about new products, organizational culture matters too. Cultural indicators include employee attitude toward risk taking, frequency of cross functional collaboration, tolerance for failure, support from leadership for new ideas, openness of communication channels. Tools such as innovation audits, employee surveys, and innovation maturity models help assess cultural dimensions of innovation. Section 6. Digital tools for tracking innovation metrics. Entrepreneurs and businesses now use technology platforms to gather and analyze innovation data. AHA, for innovation roadmap tracking. Idea Scale, to manage idea submissions and workflow. Monday.com, for tracking timelines and process efficiency. Power BI or Tableau, to visualize innovation KPIs and metrics. Section 7. Challenges in measuring innovation. Overmeasuring can stifle creativity if teams feel overly scrutinized. Wrong metrics, measuring vanity metrics, e.g., number of ideas, instead of impact. Lagging indicators. Revenue from innovation may take years to show. Innovation. Myopia. Focusing only on product innovation instead of business model or process innovations. A balanced, adaptive approach is key to meaningful innovation tracking. Section 8. Case Study. Inosan Vehicles Nigeria. Inosan, Nigeria's indigenous vehicle manufacturer, uses both output and outcome metrics in its innovation model. They track percentage of local parts use new vehicle models, introduced yearly customer feedback scores, market expansion in ECOWAS. They combine this with cultural metrics like employee innovation competitions and training hours on creative engineering. Conclusion. Innovation without measurement is blind. By using a diverse set of innovation metrics, entrepreneurs ensure accountability. Businesses can link creativity to business results. Leaders gain insights to improve performance and drive meaningful growth. Innovation metrics should be aligned with organizational goals, regularly reviewed, and used to celebrate success, learn from failures, and continuously improve innovation processes.